Hello guys, welcome back to this combined mathematics or advanced level maths YouTube platform. Through this video series, I'm showing all important questions or more expected problem in the future exam papers such as pure maths paper, applied mathematics, or that higher mathematics, combined maths, or further maths at Excel Cambridge mathematics paper. Okay, come back today are two nice problems. One is under probability or random events. Other one algebra complex numbers. In combined maths paper, probability is a structure and essay part both. And the pure maths essay question, one complex number. Okay, it's probability like this more suited for a structure problem. Structure 25 marks combined maths paper or any other exams. Okay, see what the question is. If A and B are two random events, right? A and B are two random events such as probability of A 3/10, comma probability of B 2/5, and probability of A union B 3/5, right? And find the value of, this is probability of B given A, conditional probability, plus probability of A given B. So if I show some theory class note, what is A given B? Conditional probability meaning. The problem comes up as part, define the conditional probability. So probability of A given B, the symbol is like this. So what the meaning of that? What the meaning? Find the probability of A. Already B is occurred. B completed. We know the B's probability. Then find the A's probability. Similar here, find the B probability. A is occurred already. So this is the formula type. Probability of A intersect B over PB, right? So if they ask define the conditional probability, you can write that formula. Probability of A given B equal probability of A intersect B over probability of B. Also write that where PB not equal to 0, a fraction, denominator never 0. Okay, this PA provided PB provided A union B provided, you need the A intersect B also to work out. Therefore, go back to your simple theory of probabilities formula about the union, intersection, connection. So for that, probability of A union B equal probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersect B, right? This is that probability rule, like a sets theory. We apply all the non-part 3/5. Okay, what is probability of A? 3/10 plus 3 over PB is 2/5, 2/5. If I is P, A intersect B, I said P. So what the P answer? Simplify the P equal 3/5. Take the size minus 2/5 minus 1/5, right? So therefore, you can simplify the probability of B answer. A intersect B answer is what that 1/10. Okay, probability of A intersect B 1/10. And more suit for the structure paper, the basic question actually. Anyhow, the problem available in future exam papers. Okay, write this relation. What is the probability of B given A? The formula. So please subscribe this video series. Then you will receive all type of future exam, not like ordinary problem, most expected question in pure maths, applied mathematics, and so on. Probability of A intersect B, A. Okay, now we apply these known numbers or the fractions of probabilities. B intersect A same as A intersect B, 1/10, right? Over PA is 3/10, right? And plus A intersect B 1/10 over probability of B 2/5, right? So now use it, you can use multiple up and down by 10, multiply by 10, 1/3, okay? Here multiply by 10, 1 no, multiply by 10, multiply by 10, then 4. Therefore, wow, problem, yes. Probability of A enters this one, probability of B given A plus probability of A given B is 7 over 12, right? Okay, come back and the interesting question, complex numbers. Complex number 1, combined maths, pure maths paper, structure 1 question, also essay problem. Okay, so you can see the all questions there in my WhatsApp platform, also the thumbnail, the banner of YouTube banner. You can check this original, the initial stage problem is available, right? The clear print is available, clear copy is available. So this question says A, B, C are 3 points on a complex plan. That's called Argand diagram. On an Argand diagram, A, B, C 3 points described by complex number Z1 is A, complex number Z2 is by point B, also Z3 by C, right? Also, modulus of Z1 is 1 unit. Z2 equals Z into Z1, Z3 equals Z into Z2, Z also given where the Z is given this pattern, right? So actually the problem is the area of the OABC quadrilateral. O is the origin. The area of this provided like this, alpha square root 3 by 2. Alpha square root 3 by 2. So what is alpha? Or you can ask find the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, right. Come back to a small part of theory class note here. What is a complex number? Cartesian pattern, z equal x plus iy, z equal x plus iy. What is polar form? Trigonometric form, z equal r into cos theta plus I sin theta, right? It's the way the Cartesian form of complex number. Here x is called the real part, y is the imaginary part. So here z equal r into cos theta plus I sin theta, where r known as modulus of the complex number, right? Absolute value, the number value only. Actually, the meaning of the modulus of a complex number is, that is a number r, that is the distance from the origin. Distance from the origin, distance from the origin to the particular complex number z, right? And theta is argument or amplitude, which is made with the real axis or the x-axis positive direction, that is theta. A small part of note about these complex numbers, right? Now come back to this problem here. Try to work where is z1, where is z2, where is z3, and we plot it. Argand diagram we plot, and we'll see what the picture is available. Try to find its area, right? Oh, okay. So see that. Can I take the Z1? So most important here, polar, that Argand diagram format. Better you convert the trigonometric form. We have Cartesian form, polar form, or also we have the exponential form, e to the power. So very rarely using that one exam papers or the future problems, but trigonometry better. Polar form better in trigonometry method when you draw on the Argand diagram. Convert to the polar pattern, cos theta, sin theta pattern, right? Therefore, see, the Z1 modulus is 1 cos theta plus I sin theta, right? So can I use this complex number z1 like that? Cos theta plus I sin theta, that is given modulus of the complex number z is 1. That answer, okay. Therefore, you can randomly plot where I is complex number, the, I don't know what the angle theta, we mark theta from the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, come back to z2 is how. We come to z. What is z answer? Z equal, if I mark modulus z1 is 1, comma, argument z1 is theta, okay? Now see what is Z is, keep the 3, put the half inside. I try to show the polar pattern. Half into I times root 3 by 2. Okay, this is provided as the complex number Z. Better we find what is Z actually in the polar pattern. Take the 2 inside. So x, this we call the trigonometric pattern, cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta, cos theta half, sin theta root 3 by 2. Therefore the plus principle where we use, that is cos 60 degrees or pi by 3 plus I sine 60 degrees, right? So therefore the Z answer modulus is 3. I mark modulus of the Z is 3 and its argument in the degree level angle 60 degrees, right? And then we come back to find the Z2. See what is Z2 is Z into Z1. I need all three complex number, especially what is their modulus and what is their argument. Then only we can properly trace on it Argand diagram. That's called complex plan, right? Oh, okay. So Z2 is specially given in terms of Z and Z1. When the two complex numbers are multiple, they are modulus multiple, argument added. That also note, my dear student, that the theory of theory class note. When two or any number of complex numbers multiple, they are modulus multiple to be multiple and the argument to be added. Okay. Therefore, Z2 is what? Z into Z1. Z into Z1 multiple the modulus 1 times 3, 3. Arguments added 60 plus theta. Cos 60 plus t or theta plus 60. Theta plus 60. Okay. Plus I sine into theta plus 60. Is the theory class, refer your theory class note. When any number of complex numbers multiple, their arguments multiple, modulus added, right? Okay, therefore, what is Z2 modulus? 3 and argument of the Z2, argument of the Z2 is what? Theta plus 60, okay, right. So you know Z, you know Z1. Now we come back to Z3. This one, what is Z3 is Z into Z2, right? Z into Z2 is Z3. Come back and complete its polar pattern. Then we finally, we can place. So therefore come back Z3 equal Z into Z. Let's provide a data, right? So two complex numbers multiple Z and Z2. Then modulus multiple 3 times 3, 9. Arguments to be added here. Cos 60, here theta plus 60. So at 120 plus theta. Okay. So cos theta plus 120 plus I sine theta plus 120, right? I sine theta plus 120, okay? Therefore, Z3 complex number modulus is 9 unit. Its argument, what the Z3 argument, theta plus 120, okay? Therefore, clearly you can plot on an Argand diagram or complex plan, right? So I'll show now and find the there's a quadrilateral. Okay, see my rough sketch in an Argand diagram. It's called real axis or the x-axis. This is the imaginary axis or the y. Okay, right. Where is this? I take a z1 modulus 1 argument or amplitude theta. So can I write this by length O here? A, this is, they said Z1 represented by A, 1 unit and angle theta. Okay, that is right. Now come to Z2, 3 units modulus angle theta plus 60. You have theta and another 60, but little bit bigger, longer, 3 units, no? This 3 times of that, right? That is draw nice diagram B, okay, right. So it's a 60 degrees, okay. Finally, a Z3 complex number that is 9 modulus, its argument 120. So here theta 120, therefore maybe 9 units. This is C. Can you see these 3 points? 3 points. Okay, 3 A, B, C here, 3 points, right? Now you can make the quadrilateral if I complete the picture. If I complete the picture, see O, A, B, and C, right? O, A, B, C, the diagram, the completed, can you see this, my picture, that is the quadrilateral, okay, that's the quadrilateral, the O, A, B, C pattern, right? Okay, nice. Okay, now see, this is theta, this is 60 therefore, this is 60, okay. So find the area of the whole picture that is provided alpha times root 3, right? Any method to find this quadrilateral area? That's not a rectangle, that's not a trapezium, no idea, but 2 triangle is that. So see the method, area what? O, A, B, C equal. Can I take 2 triangles? O, A, B area plus area O, B, C. You can use some trigonometric issue of area. 2 sides, 2 arms known, the angle between them. What is the formula? Half AB sine theta. Properties of triangles, heroine's formula, half AB, that pattern, half AB sine theta, half into 1 into 3 sine 60, okay. The other one, half into 3 into 9 sine 60, okay. So what is the answer? Total combined here 12, 27, 3, 30 divide 15 sine 60. Check that. 3 over 2, 27 over 2, 30 over 2, 15 sine 60. So what is that? 15 sine 60 root 3 by 2. Such a square unit area. So they said alpha into root 3 by 2. So clear, alpha is 15, right? A super problem can be asked as a part of the question for your future, any type of exam papers. Okay, please subscribe this and share all over the world. There's been your colleague or any friends, maths groups to improve their skills to face such a advanced level question, take the full opportunity and advantage. Okay, we'll see next time to show another method, another technique for future exam questions.